Jumabal Kanmental Kumisama.
Very nice. How do you know?
Morning, ma'am. My father. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
morning, ma'am. Good morning. See my video. Good morning, ma'am.
Beta, good morning. Good morning.
Ma'am, please see my video, Arhan. Good morning, ma'am.
What are you showing, Arhan?
No. Good morning, ma'am. Please see my video.
Arhan, you look so horrifying. Just change it. I want to see the original Arhan.
Bonjour, ma'am.
Bonjour.
We can say Arhan non-violent.
Yes, that was so horrifying.
And now it's okay.
Yes, now it's
Ma'am,
looking
what we
good.
will do today?
Now you're looking very nice, as usual.
Ma'am, what we will do today?
What we will do today, something very interesting. My favorite thing.
Ma'am, what? What, ma'am? Ma'am, what? What?
Huh?
What?
No,
Drawing.
not drawing. See, I'm sharing now. I'm sharing screen with you. I'm sharing screen with you. Just make a guess what we are going to do.
Ma'am, puzzle. Video.
No,
Worksheet.
no, no,
Drawing.
no,
Drawing, I guess.
All no, no.
Crafting. Crafting yard. Drawing.
No,
Ma'am, is it worksheet? Word finding. Word search.
it's this. Now guess what it is. Now guess. Now it's clear.
Ma'am, it is loading.
Now
Find the picture description.
Yes.
Picnic description.
It is
Picnic day. Picture
composition.
Picture description. Picture composition.
Everyone take
Picture
a
composition.
very good, very good. Now, children, don't force me to mute all of you. Just take out your English creative writing copies, and then we'll discuss a few things before writing it, and then we'll start writing. 2 minutes to take out your copies.
I take out. Ma'am, I'm take. Picnic day. Jaldi आओ. Ma'am, I've already taken out.
Very good.
Ma'am,
I want to hear from you how you start writing.
Ma'am, can I go and take my creative copy? This is a picture of a picnic.
Yes.
This is a picture of a picnic. Picnics
are fun. Okay, let's make it like this. Picnics are fun.
Picnics are fun and a break for.
Wait, beta, wait. Just listen. You can.
And girl, one girl and boy play with ball, and here is a picnic in which we have also eat.
Ma'am?
And there is a
Yes. Okay, listen.
what we are doing?
Beta, see, I will share the screen with you. Now, you people are actually forcing me to put you on mute, so I don't mind. Let me just mute all of you first. And now let me just log this meeting. Second most important thing.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what we are doing?
Beta, I have shared the screen with you. You have to take out your English creative writing copies. We are doing picture composition.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, what are picnics? How you are going to begin? Picnics are really fun. Okay, one line you can start like this with the introductory lines. Then it is picnic with family or friends is the most awaited time. right? It is one of my favorite, this thing. When you go out, what do you say that? It is one of my favorite, what is the word? Tell me. It is one of the most awaited times to be out with family or friends. Then then the next thing, this is the introduction that we have given. Now comes the main body. The picture that I see, or the picture we see here, is a picnic, a family picnic, okay? Or if it was friends, we would have written that it is a friends picnic time. But now it is family picnic time. Just a minute, children, please give me a minute. Then you'll describe the whole picture that you see. What kind of a place it is, what these children are doing, what all things are there on the mat, placed on the mat. They have placed a mat on the ground and so on. You'll describe the whole picture. Now, one by one, if you want to speak something, please speak. But only one by one. Anika, what do you want to say? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, can I say that how will I begin?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, I begin with that the line you said that picnics are very fun and I mostly love them. So ma'am, I'll start with these type of
Yes, you can start with
lines.
this kind of a line. Very nice. Now next, Manas, what are you saying?
Ma'am, please tell the first and second line of the next, ma'am, introduction.
The first line, the introductory line, you can say, I think picnics are fun. You can write like this. Everyone likes spending time enjoying outdoors, right?
Picnics are very fun. And ma'am,
Yes, next.
yes, ma'am, next line. Ma'am, next line.
Now wait. There was a call, a student cannot join the meeting. Yes, next. Ara, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, please send the spelling of the description in the chat box.
DES, write it down. DESCRIPTION. Description. Then next, Shaurya Tyagi, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, I'm saying that, ma'am, can I start my introduction like this? That a picnic. A picnic is a grateful time that we enjoy with our family.
Yes, with our family or friends. Very nice line. Good. Next, who wants to say anything? Okay, let me see. Let me see. Any more hands that are raised? No, I don't see any more raised hands. Now start writing, children. Since this is a family picnic, so you can put a line, you can start your this thing passage with family picnics are an excellent way to have fun with our loved ones. You can add on like this. You can start your passage like this.
Animal map.
Yes, Rishabh, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, what I have to write in the heading? Can I write, ma'am?
Heading is picture composition, and then in the introduction of this picture, you will write what a picnic is. Right? You will write two
Okay,
lines
ma'am.
about picnic.
Ma'am, can I write this? Picnics are very fun. Picnic is a very good and fun place. In this picnic, there was very lovely family.
No, you can just write the first line is fine. Picnics are fun, and then you can write a picnic with family because it is a family picnic going on. A picnic with family is really a activity that we look forward to.
Ma'am, but now I write this. Ma'am,
Family picnics
Ma'am, but
are an excellent way to have fun with our loved ones. Anything like that, beta, just write it. Don't worry. If you have written it, no problem. Continue writing that. Yes, Yashmit, you can unmute yourself. All of you, Pratyaksh, you want to say something? Unmute and say.
I'm like,
ma'am,
Wait. Now Yashmit has started speaking. Just wait. What, Yashmit?
I'm like in the introduction, I have written a picnic is a great time to enjoy with family and friends. This is a picture of a family picnic.
Yes,
So, ma'am,
correct.
now can I write the body?
Yes, you can write the main body now.
ma'am,
Pratyaksh, say.
I have written first line. Picnic is fun with our family and friends.
Very good, very nice.
Ma'am, in the introduction, I have written first line. Picnics are the place where we do fun with friends and
Picnics are not place. Picnics are not place. Like picnic, you can say it is a kind of activity that you do with your family or friends. You go out with family, friends, relatives. You go out with them on picnics.
Okay, ma'am, please tell the second introduction line.
Picnics are really fun. They help us to refresh us. We get refreshed. We feel refreshed after going out for picnic.
Ma'am.
Picnics are like energy shots, right? You feel energized. Any outdoor activity, any outdoor fun gives you a lot of energy, enthusiasm. Yes. Who else wants to speak? Unmute and speak.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am written in introduction. Picnic is a wonderful way to enjoy our family.
Yes, it's a wonderful way to enjoy with our family. Very good.
Ma'am, please tell the spelling of relief.
Really. R-E-A-L-L-Y. Really.
No, ma'am, relief.
Relief.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Yes.
मैम रखने को क्या कहते हैं?
First, let me tell the spelling of relief. R-E-L-I-E-F. Relief.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and what did you ask, beta?
मैम रखने को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं?
Rakhna, to keep.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you send the spelling of greenery in chat box?
No. Listen to it. What is the spelling of green? And then write E-R-Y. Greenery. Green and E-R-Y.
Ma'am, I have done.
Good, beta, good. Click picture and send on class group.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, as I am out of station, ma'am, so I am writing this paragraph in my rough note.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I am sending on WhatsApp group. I have done.
मुझे ना उसमें
Ma'am, I am sending.
Okay, beta, let me see. Yes.
Excuse me,
Beta,
ma'am.
okay, wait, just wait. Sorry, beta. Picnic is a great time. Remove FUL from great.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of daughter?
DAUGHTER. DAUGHTER. Daughter.
Now I have removed FUL. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have also written a picnic is a grateful.
But why grateful? Why grateful? It's a great time,
Ma'am,
not grateful time. What is the meaning of grateful? When somebody helps you out, you are grateful to that person. When somebody does something for you that is really beneficial or good for you, you seek someone's help for something. You say, I'm grateful to you. Ehsan Mand. So picnic is not a Ehsan Mand time na. It is a great time.
Ma'am, I am sending this in a
Ma'am, this is the picture composition.
Yes. Look.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I also start with this also? Today I saw a family having a picnic.
Did you see some other family? We are talking about this picture only. When we are doing picture composition,
Ma'am, in this picture only, but can I act like I was there and anything type of that I saw?
No, beta, no, not like that.
Then, ma'am, how to begin? I'm literally
Picture you will begin in the body. You're going to write. This is a picture of a family picnic. I can see the family has come prepared with a lot of things to enjoy their day. And then you can name. They've got their snacks. They've got their fruits. They've got their different playing equipments, right? And then you can describe. They even have their pet along with them. The pet is also having a good time in open green area.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I write like a picnic is a great time to spend with our family and friends? Ma'am,
Yes.
can I write after like in picnic my mother bought some snacks and like this?
My mother bought. Why your mother? Why are you talking about your mother? We are not talking. This is not a personal narrative. So why will we come on our mother or our family. We are talking about the picture that is in front of us.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in my timetable, I think there is something wrong in Monday and Tuesday, because in Monday and Tuesday the fourth period is written English literature.
Yeah, this is right, because I had an arrangement with your class. Otherwise, my class is supposed to be in 4th B. I'm taking arrangement in 4th C since Palak ma'am is in school. She is not at home.
Yes, ma'am. When we were having the English literature class, she was not present.
What are the
And ma'am, in next class, can we do some drawing?
Beta, do your work right now.
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please tell the starting of this.
Ma'am, I am done. Pratyaksh, I am sending.
Ma'am, I am asking that
Ma'am,
what
I have also done answer.
what the father and mother is doing.
They are looking at their children. They are feeling happy that their family is enjoying.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have sent discrepancy. Let me check my shorter. Ma'am, can I write short form of picture? Ma'am, asking.
Yes.
मैम को इंग्लिश में क्या
What?
Ma'am, can you tell us?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Beta, will you please let him ask his question? किसको इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं?
मैम
Can anyone understand what he's asking?
No, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. I will ask something.
What, Prasya?
Ma'am, what is the starting of this?
The beginning of this, beta, I told so many times. Where were you? That is why I logged in.
saying that he को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे
किसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे? Beta, type in the chat box. Type in the chat box.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I leave the class because ma'am I am having cold and headache.
Okay. Yes, beta, leave, please.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Can you tell the starting?
Picnics are really fun. A family picnic is a good time to spend with your loved ones.
Ma'am, please check my shorter.
मैम गुजरने को हिंदी इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं?
Guzarna.
Yes, ma'am.
Like, tell me the whole sentence.
Ma'am, like this picnic day is गुजर
नहीं, हिंदी में
गया
बताओ
ma'am.
बेटा, अपना सेंटेंस हिंदी में बताओ, क्या कहना चाह रहे हो?
इस पिकनिक डे ये पिकनिक डे बहुत अच्छी तरीके से गुजरा.
Okay, it went, or a day well spent. A day well spent. The picnic day was well spent. S-P-E-N-T.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you tell in English what we say this? Ma'am, मुझे वहाँ घूम के बहुत अच्छा लगा. Ma'am, what we say in English?
I felt very good after being to that place. Whatever place it is.
Ma'am, मैम पिकनिक में सबको मजा आता है, इसको हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे?
Everyone enjoys in picnics.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I have sent just now.
Jaskaran, you have written in this picture, I am playing with kite. I can't see you, Jaskaran, in the picture.
Yes,
Where are you in the picture, beta?
ma'am, but now I didn't like that only.
No, beta, you have written like that only, then you will get 0 marks like that only if you write like this in exams. Are you standing in the picture? I have told you, you have to describe the picture so well that you have to think that the person cannot see and you are describing the picture to him. So that means you are giving wrong description, na? Don't describe it like this. Now coming to Shaurya. Shaurya beta, where are punctuation marks? I can't see any full stops. I can't see any commas. Even after putting a full stop at few places, you have started the next sentence with small letter. So many punctuation mistakes, huh?
Ma'am, please see my Pratyaksh.
I'll see, wait. And everywhere it is greenly environment. No, everywhere there is a lot of greenery. We can say that. Then full stop. The food is lying. What food is lying on the carpet? किसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे?
What? Ma'am,
What?
Ma'am, I have sent my work on WhatsApp.
Okay, beta, I'll just check. Please give me some time. I'm listening to, I'm solving your problems also. I'm checking everyone's paper. Just be patient. I'll check everyone's.
So
Thank you, ma'am.
And wait, I have done. Wait, I have sent on.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes.
See my Mr. Mishra on group.
Ma'am, I am saying that, ma'am, we play tennis from the tennis bat and badminton also with the tennis bat.
No, that badminton is played with badminton rackets. It is not badminton bat, it is badminton racket.
Ma'am, please see my Mr. Mishra.
Yes.
Ma'am,
beta,
please see my Pratyaksh.
I have seen. Let me read.
Ma'am, I have sent Yashmit.
Mishti beta, what have you written?
Ma'am, please check
Don't
my
have-
Pratyar.
You don't have to describe what we do in picnic. We have to book this, we have to take this. Beta, they are not asking you the explanation of a picnic. A picture is shown to you, you have to speak on that picture. What all can you see on that picture? It is completely wrong, Mishti. You have to tell, you have to write what is happening in this picture. Pratyaksh beta, I have read yours. Yours is nice. You've written quite well. But where is the last paragraph of your thoughts? Just one line. I think
Ma'am, what?
you have written just one line in your thoughts in the end. In conclusion, write a little
So, ma'am,
more. Then you have,
how many?
beta, it's not about words. If it is about describing the picture completely. Your picture description also looks incomplete. When you can write well, then you can write more. You write so well. So describe it properly. What have you written for the dog? There's a black dog. Did you mention? No, there's a blue mat lying on the grass, on the ground. Then there are different things placed on the mat. You have to name those things. Describe it in a detailed manner, beta.
मैम रखी है तो इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे?
किसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे? Can anybody tell me what she's asking?
No, ma'am, we can't understand the skin.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell in English what we say this? I have said. Ma'am, हम मम्मी घर से snacks बना के ले गई this thing.
The mother has done so much preparation, or mother has prepared snacks for the picnic.
Yeah.
The mother in the picture has prepared snacks for this picnic.
Ma'am,
Tree or sands?
peasants movement. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have begun the picture competition like this. This is a picture of a garden where a family is making a picnic. They are having
Ma'am, someone's mic was disturbing a lot.
Ma'am, please, can you tell what I?
Excuse me.
Ma'am, please check my Yashmit. Ma'am, please check my Yashmit.
Beta, I will not reply if so many students will start speaking together.
I want to say something.
No, just wait. You need to wait for some time. A student is already speaking. Don't jump in every time. Anika, say.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have begun like this, that this is a picture of a garden where a family is making a picnic. They are having a lot of fun. Ma'am, I have begun like this.
Very nice, beta. Very nice. Good.
Ma'am, can I write? Ma'am, can you tell the last ending line of the picnic?
Okay, what is coming to your mind? Tell me.
Ma'am, in my mind, I like this picnic is really good. Like this, ma'am.
I feel that picnics are real energy shots. They give us energy. They make us feel happy. We feel refreshed after enjoying the picnic.
Enjoying the picnic.
This is what you feel after enjoying picnic?
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
please check my Ma'am, please check my Yashmit.
Yes, beta, I'll check. I'll check.
मैम व्हाट वी से इन इंग्लिश वे अपने डॉगी को साथ लेकर गए थे.
We took our dog along. But why we? Are you there in the picture? The family took its dog along with them. The family.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of greenery?
Beta, GREENERY.